What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look, again, we're talking here on the channel tech, style, life hacks, and that kind of stuff. So this here is kind of a blend of everything. Now you're saying, what's Quip? Well, Quip here is a toothbrush, okay? And it could be a sonic care replacement, which is, if you're familiar with sonic care toothbrushes, they vibrate, or they call them sonic vibrations, right? And they clean your teeth. But they're big, they're bulky, they're hard to travel with. If you want to throw them in, you got to throw in the charge stand, the toothbrush itself, and they're not small and they're not travel friendly. Enter Quip, all right? And you can get a smart version of this that is Bluetooth. Download the app and actually use the app to track your brushing habits, right? So it is technology, and it's also, like I said, a life hack because these here are environmental friendly. Okay, so we're not only talking the toothbrush, but we're talking the floss solution here too that you're going to carry with you, or not. You can just keep it and in the the bathroom or wherever you do your hygiene at. So let's dive in and take a look at what is Quip and what is in front of you on the camera here. So first off, they have their own toothpaste, right? So if you like some anti-cavity toothpaste, 3-month supply. Now they have a program where you can get monthly, 3 months, however long you want to set it up, floss and toothpaste. So you don't have to go to the store and dig up toothpaste and floss and stuff like that. And so if you want one of those monthly services, kind of like, if you're in a shave club or, anything like that, they're getting to be more and more of them that they cover about everything out there anymore, from alcohol to toothpaste, right? Deodorants, all these personal hygiene places, even colognes, there's clubs for that'll send you cologne. So they're kind of the same way. You can sign up, save a little money on your initial purchase, and be a subscriber and cancel anytime. So this is a 3-month supply. This tube lasts for 3 months when brushing 2 times a day with a dentist recommended pea-sized portion. All right. So if you guys are like using more than a pea-sized portion of your toothpaste, you're using too much, right? Also, the ingredients here are good, right? There's nothing that's like chemically crappy or anything like that in your toothpaste. And I don't know if you guys know this, but the little color codes at the end of your toothbrush or your toothpaste tubes tell you exactly, what kind of stuff is in your toothpaste. So this one here has a black strip. Okay, look it up. This also expires almost 1.5 years from when I get it, 10/22. And if you didn't know that, look that up. And look at your current tubes of toothpaste because they have little color strips on them. And that'll actually tell you like what kind of chemicals and stuff, fluoride levels, stuff like that's in your toothpaste. Because what you're putting in your mouth, you don't try to swallow it, but you do. And it gets into your body. And, if you want to be a healthier lifestyle, then go with some natural, good for you toothpastes. Now, let's start with the actual toothbrush itself. This is just the tube that they ship it in. It has a little case. This is to be recycled, okay? I actually kind of kept it because I like the tube. And then this is the little stand that it came in that, you're supposed to recycle. But, hey, look, I can put it like this. So let's go ahead, put that aside. So this is your little carry case. With the toothbrush in it. It does have a sticky side here, so if you wanted to mount this to something, you just keep this clean. You can stick it onto something and use it as a case. You can either put it in like I did, upside down, or like this. Either way works. If you're traveling or you just don't want to get it dirty, you just stow it like that and you're good to go. It does have a little hole down here, so water can drain out. You're not going to keep water in here. I don't know if you guys, any of you have a sonic care, but when you put that in the charge base, and even when you replace the heads on the sonic care toothbrushes, it is so gross of the water that gets in there and stagnates and it just gets nasty. I don't know. Just saying. And I dry it off, but it just somehow, water gets in there, and then every time after use, some water gets in this little, under the head of the Sonicare, or even down in the base, and then it hardens and it looks like a big old calcium deposit. It's just nasty. So this one here, I'm trying to alleviate that. Now, here's the actual toothbrush itself. You can get a Bluetooth connection. You don't have to buy it out of the gate. You can get it as an accessory, and then you can make this work with an app via Bluetooth. This is not the Bluetooth version, so I can't show you the app and everything and how it works. But as you can see here, you get a nice aluminum handle, very, very nice. And to turn this on, you just push the little Quip, the Q. And you can hear it vibrate. Right? So it's doing its sonic vibrations. It also has a little tongue cleaner over here on this side. So if you wanted to kind of scour your tongue, you can with this little part right here. So very, very nice. Battery operated. And here's your toothbrush. Okay? Bristles, all good. Replace the head. There you go. You just take that off and replace the head. Stow and go, right? Very, very nice. Again, you can stick this and use it as a case. They do send you another case. So I got a black or a white. This is what it looks like. Stickers left on this one here. So I actually have two cases. One I can mount, keep in the bathroom. The other one I could travel with. However you want to do it. Now let's talk floss, because that's the second piece. Now, when I say this is environmental friendly, it's environmental friendly because how many times do you buy those little floss things that you can use and then you just throw away, right? They're on that little plastic stick, and you floss and you go and you pitch them, right? Or you buy a thing of floss and then when it's done, you pitch the container. Now, what you have here is a solution that the only thing you're throwing away is the used floss. This here is just a floss holder, and you can refill this, and that's part of their subscription, that you can refill it. So you would just peel off how much floss you want to use, 6, 7, 8 inches, and then you just pull it, and there's a little thing in here that cuts it, and then you use your floss and you're done. And when you're completely done, you just stow it back in, throw it in your bag, and you're good to go. How good is that for a portable floss solution? And again, you're limiting waste for the environment, the landfills, all that. Very, very nice. Now, also on the floss line, remember I mentioned those little plastic floss devices that you can buy? Well, how about one you don't have to throw away, right? So this guy here looks just like one of them. Big, almost looks like a slingshot kind of, right? But what you do is you can definitely use this to refill from the case. It's got a little mirror in there. And then what you do is you just get this, reload it. So these turn into little grabbers when I push this button. I haven't used this, so I'm not going to actually turn the grabbers loose. But you put this in here, you get the grabbers, and then you cut it, right? And then you've got a nice load of floss. And then when you're done, you just stow it in there and you're done. To reload, you push this little dispense area here. You can put your reload of floss down here, load it up, reload, done. Tend to only use this like once. Dentists recommend you floss. You throw it away. Don't keep reusing it. It's just not healthy. You get bacteria and stuff on your floss, and then when you go back in the next time to use it, you go right between your teeth. The bacteria that is in that floss that's been sitting is now getting down in your gums. So pitch your floss. Don't reuse floss. I don't know how many people get those little plastic ones and try to reuse them. Don't. Get this. It's a great solution because you're throwing away just the floss. And then your replenishment supply shows up. You reload your floss. You're good to go. And look how travel friendly this is. Right? Boom. Quip. Upside down it looks like Dimb. But it is Quip. Alright guys, so that is the Quip solution. Maybe I'll upgrade this and show you the app and the Bluetooth connectivity and stuff like that. But it'll give you, you can go back and look at your brushing history, your times. Also, this does actually give you notifications like when to change, you know, like maybe you're brushing on your upper right or something like that. So this actually kind of has that timer built into it that kind of gives you a healthier brushing habit that you can do. So it's a good solution. And again, it's very travel friendly, environmental friendly, and what more do you need? And you're going to be saving money, and you're not going to have to go and get this kind of stuff from a store anymore. And that's a good thing, especially during the pandemic. And if you're not wanting to go out, I've been ordering my groceries online. I've been ordering a lot more stuff online versus having to go to a store and pick it up. Anyway, guys, check the show notes. I'll have a link for where you can check out Quip. You don't have to get all this stuff all at once. You can buy just the floss. You can buy just the toothbrush, whatever you want to do. You want to try their toothpaste. So as a takeaway, though, go research your toothpaste. Go look at your color codes. Be interesting to see what you think. Put them in the comments when you find out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the show. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.